What we are doing is logistic regression, right?
Yeah.
And then we said that it holds the same characteristics as that of multiple regression, except that the dependent variables should be categorically what? Measured. The predictors, they can be continuously measured or categorically what? Measured. So we want to illustrate that one with this example. And the R squared, it gives you a range and not absolute R squared. It gives you the least and what? The highest. And the least is what we call Cock and Snell R squared. And the highest is called what? Nedeke what? Nedeke R squared. Okay. So quickly let's illustrate this one by doing this analysis. So you go to, from the menu, you go to analyze.
Yeah, then you go to regression.
Then we go to regression.
Then you go to binary logistics.
So you see that I didn't go to linear now. We are going to what? Binary logistics. Okay. Click on that.
Then you choose your categorical dependent variable and move it into a dependent box.
You see the way it is naming them. What kind of dependent variable are we talking about? Categorical. And then it is what? Income, right?
Yeah.
And move it to where?
You move it to the box, the dependent box.
Dependent box. Okay.
Income.
My brother, are you following? Okay. So what are the predictors we are talking about?
Income. The predictors.
We said we are using only 3. Supply integration 1, integration 2, and what? 3. So we select them. 1, 2, 3. Okay. Then I move them to where?
I can't see income.
Didn't you edit it at the top?
Income.
What name did you give it to it? It was the branch. You didn't change the full name, it was the branch.
And so the branch, and I didn't make income.
But you didn't change the code name, that's why we are not finding it. So go and select the one that has the branch.
Yes, I've selected the branch. That's why I made income.
So the branch status here is the one that you have to select. Analyze, regression, and binary.
Regression is out.
Binary. So we are depending right click to display the variable name. Then so this one becomes. So, what are the predictors we are interested in?
So, we are looking at supplier integration 1 to 3.
Okay. We select them into what box?
Into the covariates.
Okay. What else?
Then, for method, make sure that enter is displayed.
Yeah, so this is method. Enter is here, right?
Yes.
So, what else?
Then, if you have any categorical predictors, you need to click on categorical button at the bottom of the dialog box.
So, should we try that one, or we should omit it?
Highlight each of the categorical variables.
But all these they are not categorical.
Yeah.
Should we infuse one categorical variable in it? So let's select the firm size.
Okay.
Select the firm size as part of it.
As part of the covariates.
No, yeah, as part of the covariate. And let's go to that step. It says what?
So it says if you have categorical predictors, you need to click on categorical button at the bottom of the dialog box.
Okay, so
Highlight.
categorical. Then we highlight them.
Yeah, highlight each. Then and move them into the categorical before you done that.
Yeah.
So highlight each of your categorical variables in 10 and click on the button label first.
Here. First, right? Not the last, right?
Yes, first.
Okay.
So how did you do the highlighting?
Oh, when it is on it, it's highlight.
Okay. Okay.
So
Then
click
the
on first. Okay.
My own is not functioning. It's just enter. That is there.
That first.
Do you have yours there?
It's enter that is here.
If we had no categorical
This thing,
defender, would have left that.
yeah, we have left that
Yeah.
procedure.
Then click on the options button.
Options,
Okay. Select classification plots.
classification blocks.
Yes.
Okay.
Homesmith.
Lemon shop.
Lemon shop.
Okay.
Then you click on case wise.
It's well listed.
Listing of procedures.
Yeah. Then into
Then
iteration history.
iteration history.
Yeah, iteration history. And then CI for X.
Expected data.
Yes.
Okay.
Then you click continue or OK.
CI for what? CI for expected.
Yeah, then you click continue or OK.
Click continue and then what?
Okay.
Okay.
And we are done.
We are done.
Let me see whether I see snail. Okay. Let's see.
So our results is in. Okay. So the ones that I'm very interested in are the ones that we're going to talk about. Okay.
Model summary.
Go to your model summary.
Box.
But there are some assumptions that you have to check. I think you have to read on it.
Okay.
Some assumptions will come as part of the results before you interpret the main one. But we are going straight with the main results. Okay. So we have our model summary. So what is our minimum R square?
Our minimum
R square.
165.
And then what is our maximum R square?
That is
0.165.
That is the minimum.
There. Our maximum is 0.362.
Okay. So you use this one to check the degree of significance, okay? Which is it significant or not? Functional and lemon short test
That's what we do.
to check the significance.
Yes, significant.
Like if you were using the other one, you use ANOVA, okay? So this one you use the functional lemon short test to check for the significant, right? Okay. Then we go to the last table that I'm interested in. Variables in equation. Variables in equation. Go to the variables.
So it's not significant.
Are you sure? Look at the single loop of the explanation test.
Okay, then what did I get?
It's 11.0.0.
I had 0.234.
Then yours is also good.
After that, we go to what?
But select variables in equation.
You see? One now. Different one on here.
Variables
Variables
in equation.
in equation.
Variables in the mine is variables in the equation.
Yes. So that one also tells us which of them is making significant contribution or not. That's all. So if you look at this, we conclude that the predictors can account for how many percentage change in the dependent variable. They can cause what? Changes in the predictors can cause between, I'm using how you're writing it, 16 point what?
5%
5%
to 24.3%.
to 24.3% change in the dependent variable. And the dependent variable is what? Made income, right? Made income. Those who have made income within that particular period. So we use this one to test for the degree of significance, the Horst-Lemeshoff test. So the sig value, if you observe, is it significant?
The what?
Is it significant?
The significance.
It tells us that at least one of the predictors is making significant contribution to the change. The rate of change in the dependent variable. Okay. So we go and look at for where can we find a predictor that is making that significant contribution. We go and look at it for variables in what? In the equation. So let's look at the first one. It says that we synchronize business activities with those of key suppliers. This is the beta contribution. Okay? Have you seen that?
Yeah.
Is it significant?
No.
Okay, it doesn't. Okay, it's not significant. Let's go to the next one. We constantly explore new working relationships with suppliers. What is the contribution? It's positive, right? Is it significant?
No.
Okay, not significant. Let's go to the last one. There are a lot of them, not the last one. We pursue supplier development the relationship, blah, 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 blah. Is this significant? Look at it. Later. More significant, right?
Yes.
So what really causes the changes in the
Farm size.
or farm size? Yes. You look at farm size.
Farm size 1, 2.
Forget about those things. Let's look at the absolute one. And it's what? Significant. That's all. Then let's look at the constant. Is it significant? It's not right.
Yeah.
So in this equation, which of them is making significant change?
Only farm size.
Only farm size, that's it. And this is what we call the logistic or binary regression.
But the farm size, you don't consider when we're doing it.
We selected, everybody, we had the
Categorical.
Yeah, that's right.
So if we have no other X, it means that
But we can rehearse with that one and see as well.
okay.
Okay. So